How to clear browsing history in Metamask. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear the history. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings. So this is the settings interface. Here you'll be able to see the option called security and privacy. Tap on it. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called clear browse history. So simply tap on clear browse history. So make sure that this will remove all the searches and all the data that you have kept in the column. The currency and other companies that you have enlisted will disappear. Now simply tap on here, and if you restart your whole application, it will all be gone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.